Hey guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to sell options on Robinhood. Uh, for example, we'll take American Airlines today and we'll go here to create AAL options. That will bring us to the options chain. And over here we have a few different options. First is call and second is put. And over here is a buy and sell. And over here are the different expiration dates. So we'll go for the March 29th expiration. It should be in 2 weeks. Um, I like to do 2 weeks so I can sell two options per month and make consistent passive income with minimum risk. So we'll go ahead and explore selling an option instead of buying an option this time. So we'll click put and we'll go ahead and click sell here. As you can see, the share price right now is $9.56, and over here we have different strike prices. So all of the strike prices above the share price are what's called in the money, and then below the share price are called out of the money. So we're looking to sell out of the money options as they are the safest, and I like to go over 75 to 80% profit, chance of profit. So you can see right here, chance of profit, and the share price is 9.56. So if we go look at the $8 strike price, we have a chance of profit almost 75%. So I'll go ahead and click that, and you can see the total credit for this option is 40 cents. So 40 cents times 100, because in one contract we have 100 shares. So that equals $40 credit we'll be getting for selling this option on the expiration of May 29th. So we'll go ahead and click continue right here. As you can see, contracts 100 shares each. So we'll go ahead, just click put one here. So we're looking to sell one contract, and we can put the limit price if we want, but usually it just puts the middle price of what the bid is and the ask is, or we can just go ahead and put our limit price to 42 cents, so we'll get $42 credit minimum, and then we'll go ahead and click review order. Now this will collect collateral of $800 in case American Airlines drops below $8 by May 29th. And if it does, then we'll be getting 100 shares for $800, and we'll be getting $42 credit right now. Now, if the share price never reaches $8 by May 29th, we'll get to keep all of our credit, which was $42, and they will release our $800 collateral on May 29th, 4 p.m. if the share price is above $8. As you can read here, you're agreeing to buy 100 shares of American Airlines at $8 on or before May 29th. If you aren't asked to buy American Airlines by then, you'll keep your collateral and full $42 credit. As you can see, I have $19,800 available right now. So if I go ahead and submit this order, it'll ask me to review, and I'll go ahead and click done. And that'll keep my $800 collateral. So now if you go back to American Airlines, you'll see my option contract is queued for now as the markets are closed. But once the markets are open, it should execute at $42. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel.